you like most about your teacher?
I like that she's so kind to everybody.
What's your favorite subject, sir?
Math.
What do you like best about your teacher?
She's kind and she's respectable.
I love teaching at Lake Forest South because I feel very supported by my coworkers and my admin. It is a very fun place to be, and the kids are amazing. Our families are great, super involved, and we have a great sense of community. To me, being a Spartan for life means being a part of my community, always giving back to the people that brought me to where I am today. I did attend Lake Forest as a student, so it really brings it full circle being able to come back and teach here and give back to that.
I love Miss Hobbs because she's the best teacher in the world. I like school.
I'm Miss Hobbs, and I'm a Spartan for life.
I'm grateful for everything we do in this classroom.
If I'd have known what a pleasure it was working with kids this age in elementary school, I probably would have done this a long time ago. The staff here, they're the best people I've ever worked with.
I love the classroom community that we have at South, and I love that everybody gets along and we all love each other.
My favorite subject is math because I like to subtract hundreds that has uneven tens.
I like about school is Dr. Huber.
Okay, now, are we ready to read?
My favorite part about school is playing with my friends.
My favorite part about school is math. My name is Amari, and this is Miss Weber. What do you like about South?
I have awesome students, I have awesome colleagues, and this is just a fun place to be.
Thank you.
Dude, you rocked it. Nice job.
This is our hometown humor group, and our dads worked in the military.
Hello. Hi. Very good. You may proceed.
Military kids love South.
What's your favorite part of coming to school at South?
Recess.
Is there anything else besides recess that you love?
Yeah. Mrs. Dick, what do you love about South?
What's not to love about South? The staff is amazing, the students are awesome hard workers, and the families are super supportive and love to be involved.
What do you love about South? Dr. Huber, what do you love about South?
I love our students, our staff, and all of our families.
And I love everyone here. That's so bad.
Yay, that's good.